Welcome back. In this segment, we are discussing something that is very inspirational to me, rehabilitation care. From Life Care Center in New Market is Rehab Services Manager Jamie McNamara. We also have two patients joining us, Jimmy Poole and Bill King. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us. Jamie, it seems from all that I've been able to see, you guys at Life Care Center really do it all. Tell us a little bit about all your services.
We do offer a variety of different programs and services to our patients. We offer inpatient and outpatient physical, occupational, and speech therapy, as well as a variety of nursing programs, including tracheotomy care, peritoneal dialysis, wound care management, medication management, assistance with ADLs. We also do offer a variety of activities for the psychosocial well-being of the patients, including community outings.
So just really a total whole being comprehensive care. I'd like to talk to the gentleman joining us now. Jimmy, you had a bad fall last fall. Tell us about that and what Life Care Center has been able to do for you.
Well, back in middle of September, I had a real bad fall and pulled all of the tendons and a kneecap off this left leg and just boogered them all up. And I've been an inpatient up there for 2 weeks, and then I came home, took my braces off. 6 weeks later, and went back about 2.5 months ago, and they've been working with me ever since, and I'm getting along real good.
Well, actually, I understand that you were dismissed this week.
Dismissed Wednesday, yes.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And Bill, you had a stroke. When did you have a stroke?
I had a severe stroke in January of 2011, and the New Market Rescue Squad, bless their hearts, carried me up to RMH, and of course, if you do anything more than stub your toe down in the valley, next thing you know, you find yourself on the Pegasus helicopter headed for Charlottesville. So that's where I headed next. And then I ended up in Augusta Medical Center. They've got a wonderful rehabilitation program there. And I was in Augusta for 3 months.
Wow.
And I got started on my rehabilitation while there. And then came time for me to graduate. And a couple of their professional therapists came up to look at the New Market Life Care Center, because I said that would be really helpful because we live just outside of New Market. And they came and they were very impressed with the facility and the personnel and everything else, and they said this is going to be great. And it has been great.
So I assume that with a severe stroke, you've come a
long
long way
yeah.
since January of last year.
Yeah, it affected my left side, so my left arm and leg don't work that well. And so they've been pushing me along, and I've come a long way.
And you have some state-of-the-art equipment that no other facilities in this area have. Jamie, tell us about that.
We do have a variety of equipment there. Our one piece of equipment is called the Ultra-G. It's an anti-gravity treadmill, which was actually developed by NASA. It helps reduce some of the weight a patient will have on the treadmill, which will help further their rehabilitation process.
Did either of you end up using that piece of equipment?
I've tried it, yes.
I never got in it. No, they was going to let me, but they sent me home, told me they didn't want me in it.
Yeah, you just didn't make the astronaut program,
No,
I
I
guess.
didn't make it.
I guess. How does a person get referred? Bill mentioned that he was referred from Augusta Health. How does a person get referred to?
Depending on if it's an inpatient or outpatient referral. An outpatient, you'll need a script from your physician stating if you need physical, occupational, speech therapy. At that time, you contact the facility and we'll have our business office check, depending on your payer source, what your benefits are. And upon that, we make our first appointment.
And let's talk about payer source. What payers do you accept at Life Care?
We accept Medicare, Medicaid, private pay, and private insurance.
So really almost everything
Yes.
is accepted. Well, gentlemen, thank you so much. We wish you the very best in
Thank
your
you.
continued
Thank you.
recovery, and congratulations to you for being dismissed. You didn't make the astronaut program, but you got a free pass out of jail,
There
right?
you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please stay with us. There is so much more to come, especially if you've turned 50 recently.
When an accident, illness, or surgery leaves you needing rehabilitation, trust Life Care Center of New Market to get you back to life as it should be. As the only non-hospital facility in the state with Ultra-G and Kinesis systems, we bring you exceptional care close to home. We offer inpatient and outpatient treatment programs with private rooms and community reintegration programs to get you back to your everyday life.
Call 540-740-8041 for patient referral information. Life Care Center of New Market.